Area of a triangle. Area of a triangle. When we know the height and base lengths of the triangle, then we can calculate the area of triangle by using the formula area of triangle is equal to 1 by 2 into base into altitude, that is height. Now we are going to see how we can calculate area of triangle when coordinates of the vertices are given. Consider triangle ABC having vertices A x1 y1, B x2 y2 and C x3 y3. Construction. Draw BQ, AP and CR perpendiculars from A, B and C respectively to the x-axis. From figure, as BQ, AP and CR are parallel, hence ABQP, APRC and BQRC are all trapezia. Now from figure, area of triangle ABC is equal to area of trapezium ABQP plus area of trapezium APRC minus area of trapezium BQRC, and area of trapezium can be calculated as area of trapezium is equal to 1 by 2 into sum of parallel sides into distance between them. So, using the formula to find area of trapezium, we get area of trapezium ABQP equals to 1 by 2 into BQ plus AP into QP. Area of trapezium APRC is equal to 1 by 2 into AP plus CR into PR. Area of trapezium BQRC is equal to 1 by 2 into BQ plus CR into QR. Now to find the distances of the lines, we use distance formula. That is, D is equal to square root of x2 minus x1 bracket square plus y2 minus y1 bracket square. Using distance formula, we can calculate distance of QP as follows. For QP, the x-coordinate of Q is x2 and y-coordinate, that is y2, is 0. For P, the x-coordinate is x1 and y-coordinate, that is y1, is 0. So, using distance formula, distance QP is equal to square root of x1 minus x2 bracket square plus 0 minus 0 bracket square. So, QP is equal to x1 minus x2. Similarly, we can calculate other distances as BQ is equal to y2, AP is equal to y1, CR is equal to y3, PR is equal to x3 minus x1, QR is equal to x3 minus x2. Putting these values in equation 1, we get 1 by 2 into y2 plus y1 into x1 minus x2 plus 1 by 2 into y1 plus y3 into x3 minus x1 minus 1 by 2 into y2 plus y3 into x3 minus x2. Rearranging the equation, we get 1 by 2 in bracket x1 into y2 minus y3 plus x2 into y3 minus y1 plus x3 into y1 minus y2. Bracket complete. Example. Consider the coordinates of the triangle 1 minus 1, minus 4 6 and minus 3 minus 5. Then area of triangle will be, putting coordinates in the formula we get 1 by 2 in bracket 1 into 6 plus 5 plus minus 4 into minus 5 plus 1 plus minus 3 into minus 1 minus 6. Bracket complete. Which is equal to 1 by 2 in bracket 11 plus 16 plus 21. Bracket complete. Which is equal to 24 square units.